for healthy, natural and easy way to strengthen the immune system, reduce blood sugar and prevent respiratory diseases, this drink is the best fit for you. Hi guys, I'm Chigirl Natural Remedies. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're highly welcome. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the video. Once again. Ginger increases immunity and fight viruses such as cold and etc. Ginger is an effective antiseptic, antibacterial and antifungal. Ginger promotes digestion, treats digestive problems and facilitates the absorption of fats in the body. Ginger promotes weight loss and bulk accumulation of fats in the abdominal area. Ginger is a source of antioxidant which slows the effects of aging by reducing free radical damages. I'll just cut. I'm gonna make use of this. So I'm gonna make use of this. If you want it to be big, you can double the quantity of things we use in this recipe. Okay. Then I'll add it straight to the plate and I'll set it aside. And the next thing we need here is our gloves. So I'm gonna add 6 of it. So I just added 6 gloves. Then I'll add the ginger. I'll add 1 cup of water. So I'm gonna boil it for 15 minutes, okay? So this is 15 minutes right now, so I'm gonna turn off the heat and I will allow it to cool down for 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes, still warm. So I'll add it straight to the cup. So guys, this is a natural booster. This drink gonna strengthen your immune system, reduce blood sugar and prevent respiratory diseases. It's just drink. This drink is best fit for you. If you want to boost your immune system and reduce blood sugar, just go ahead and make it and drink. Just drink it in the morning and in the night 2 times a day and drink it completely for 1 week and you're gonna see the results. Here come the end of the video guys. If you love it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that button down below and turn up your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.